This is the water coming down from the drain from the roof. And then you can see the rain here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but if you look over there towards the light, and that was a big flash of lightning right now. There goes the thunder. This is my dad chilling on the hammock.
Oh yeah, I'm having a good time.
And this is what happens to your knee when you come out and you're like me. It turns yellow, as you can see. And I'm getting wet over here, so I'm going back over here. Yep, it's tropical weather here.